If you're looking for a PC case that combines sleek design with powerful cooling, this one deserves your attention. Featuring a 4mm thick tempered glass side panel, it not only offers a crystal clear view of your build but also helps reduce noise, so your setup stays quiet without compromising style. This case comes pre-installed with 4 high-performance fans to keep your components running cool under pressure. You get 3 200mm LED fans, 2 positioned at the front for intake and 1 on top for exhaust, plus a 140mm rear fan that ensures efficient airflow throughout the chassis. Managing your fans and lighting is a breeze thanks to the one-click control system built right into the I/O port. Adjust fan speeds and LED effects instantly without digging through complicated software. It's all about giving you simple, hands-on control to optimize your setup's performance and look. Worried about GPU sagging? This case supports vertical GPU mounting with dual PCIe slots. That means your graphics card stays securely in place, reducing stress on the motherboard and keeping your build looking clean and professional. Storage options won't limit you here. With 10 drive bays available, including 2x5, 25-inch slots and 8 bays that support both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, you can easily install multiple SSDs and HDDs. Plus, the included HDD rack helps keep everything organized and accessible. Connectivity is well covered with 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, alongside a dedicated HD audio jack. This setup ensures you can plug in your peripherals and headphones without hassle, right from the front panel. Compatibility is broad, supporting micro ATX, ATX, and even eATX motherboards. This flexibility lets you build a compact or full-sized system depending on your needs, without worrying about fitting issues. Expandability is a highlight here. The case supports CPU coolers up to 185mm tall and graphics cards up to 310mm long when the HDD rack is installed. Remove the rack, and you can fit GPUs as long as 480mm. Power supplies up to 220mm fit comfortably, even with the bottom fan in place. Its dimensions, 23 inches long, 9.1 inch wide, and 22 inches tall, strike a balance between spacious interior and manageable footprint. Weighing just over 32 pounds, it's sturdy without being unwieldy, making it easier to move or transport. A 3-year warranty backs this case, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. That kind of support is a solid indicator of quality and durability. Users across the United States have praised this case, especially highlighting its cooling performance. The ample space for 8 HDDs alongside room for a DVD drive means you don't have to compromise on storage or optical drives. The large fans and smart airflow design keep temperatures down, even during heavy gaming or demanding workloads. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a quiet, cool, and visually striking PC build. If you value both aesthetics and function, this case's tempered glass panel showcases your components beautifully while keeping noise in check. The LED fans add a splash of color, customizable with simple controls that anyone can master. Its vertical GPU support is not just a gimmick, it genuinely protects your hardware by preventing sagging, which can cause long-term damage. That's a practical benefit that serious builders will appreciate. The flexible storage options mean you can start small and expand over time, without worrying about outgrowing your case. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this case adapts to your evolving needs. Connectivity options on the front panel are thoughtfully placed for easy access, so you can plug in external drives, USB devices, or headphones without reaching behind your PC. The case's compatibility with multiple motherboard sizes means you're not locked into a specific build style. Upgrade your motherboard or switch platforms without needing a new case. Cooling is the star here, with oversized fans and well-planned airflow paths. This design helps maintain optimal temperatures, extending the lifespan of your components and improving overall system stability. If you're ready to build a PC that looks as good as it performs, this case is worth a look. It balances style, cooling, expandability, and ease of use in a way that few others do. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup. The combination of tempered glass, powerful fans, and smart design features offers what you need to create a stunning, reliable machine.